Of the year. This one is a poem by Stephen Pelkman called A Hospital View. She appears from out of a cluster of trees, pious in their withering, and whose branches are clasped in prayer. As a manifestation of blackness, marching alone to God's calling, leaving behind frosty breaths in the falling snow. A nurse, young and nervously smiling and dressed in white, steps outside for a quick cigarette and releases small puffs of smoke into the cold air. And when they both open umbrellas, how much alike trees they are, bearing the weight of the moment, suffering against a pale sky.